Raw vegan diet. If cooking isn't on your list of top priorities, or if it is a particular sweltering day, then the idea of not having to roast vegetables or fry up some crispy tofu sounds pretty appealing. Maybe you occasionally eschew cooking for plant-based smoothies and salads. If that is the case, then you have already dabbled in raw veganism. But what does a strictly raw vegan diet entail, and is it for everyone? Before we dig further, don't forget to like this video and share with us into comments whether you have done this diet before or you are still planning to do so. Share with us your experience. We love to hear more from you. Also, don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content about how we take good care of our body. A raw vegan diet consists of food that is eaten uncooked or heated at temperatures below 104 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. The idea is that cooking food destroys its nutrients, which is true in some cases, but not all. Raw diets tend to be low in processed foods. That means that all roasted, steamed, fried, boiled, pressure cooked, seared, broiled, or grilled foods are off the table. So, no roasted vegetables, grilled veggie burgers, cooked grains and beans, pasta, bread, most kinds of nut butters, jams, vegan ice cream, or pasteurized non-dairy milk. It also naturally means no animal products, including honey. It typically excludes table salt, but some raw vegans might use Himalayan pink or sea salt. Proponents of raw vegan diet tend to be motivated by health, though there can be some crossover with animal rights and sustainability ethics, and the belief that you can get all of the necessary nutrients from uncooked foods. Food preparation can involve blending, juicing, soaking, sprouting, fermenting, and dehydrating instead of traditional cooking methods. A raw food diet and a plant-based diet may seem similar, as many foods are eaten on both diets. Vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds. One crucial component of the raw food diet, however, is only eating food cooked below 118 degrees Fahrenheit. At that temperature, food will be either lukewarm or cold. Therefore, the raw vegan diet is a plant-based diet in which food is also cooked at no more than 118 degrees. While many raw foodists posit that the diet is the healthiest way to eat, it is important to note that food still contains nutritional benefits when both cooked and raw. What matters more is that a person perceives the nutrients their body needs. That being said, some cooking methods can lower the nutritional content of food. For example, a 2009 study published in the Journal of Zhejiang University on how different cooking methods impacted the nutritive quality of broccoli found that every method except for steaming caused a dramatic loss of vitamin C, as well as loss of soluble protein. Raw fruits and vegetables are more nutrient-rich, and so the raw vegan diet can be nutrient-rich. On the raw vegan diet, food must not be cooked over 118 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning it is not cooked, steamed, or roasted. Raw vegan adherents do not eat animal products. They also baked foods, pasta, and coffee. Some alcohol may be consumed, such as vegan wine. However, some wines use animal products such as gelatin or egg whites as processing agents. Distilled alcohol, including rum and whiskey, is not raw. A note on sprouted grains and legumes. The word sprouted means the seeds have begun to grow but have not grown leaves or flowered yet. Sprouted grains include quinoa and anhulled farro. On the raw vegan diet, you can also eat sprouted legumes such as lentils and pinto beans. Sprouting occurs when the grains or beans are soaked in warm water. Additionally, some people may confuse the paleo diet with the raw food diet by assuming that our ancestors primarily ate raw food. While it is true that humans ate many raw foods as a matter of practicality throughout most of history, these two diets are different. On the paleo diet, you can only eat foods that were believed to have been available to our ancestors during the Paleolithic era. But on the raw food diet, all foods can be eaten so long as they are raw. What are the health benefits of raw vegan diet? There are many benefits to consider before adopting a raw vegan diet. Here are some of them. It is high in nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables contain a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. A diet that is high in fruits and vegetables is associated with lower risk of heart disease and stroke, lower blood pressure, and a lower risk of digestive problems, according to Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. You can get the best benefits by eating a rainbow of vegetables and fruits, as nutritionists advise. Next, it is low in processed foods. There are many different ways that foods can be considered processed. It may be helpful to think of a continuum. On one end are frozen meals, pre-made meals, and ready-to-eat foods like fruit snacks, cookies, or soda. These foods frequently contain preservatives, additives, or flavors, as well as added sugars and sodium. In the middle are foods that may have some preservatives, additives, or flavors added, such as pasta sauce. And on the other end are minimally processed foods, such as canned tomatoes and frozen fruits and vegetables. On a raw vegan diet, you are likely to be eating only minimally processed foods and avoid the sodium and added sugars endemic to more heavily processed foods. You can get your protein from sprouted legumes. A raw vegan diet avails you of a key source of plant-based protein, legumes. Protein is a crucial component of our well-being. It is an energy source and it builds muscles and bones. Adult men need 56 grams of protein per day, while adult women need 46 grams per day. And legumes are a good source of plant protein. On a raw vegan diet, you can eat soaked or sprouted legumes. Sprouted black, green, or deep boy lentils contain 12 grams of protein per cup. Sprouted grains are low carb. Many grains that are eaten in the typical American diet are high in carbohydrates. It is low in saturated fat. When you are following a raw plant-based diet, you won't consume foods that are high in saturated fats. Eating such foods can raise your cholesterol levels, which is associated with an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Before beginning any diet, consult a nutritionist who can help you actualize your health goals. If you are looking to begin eating a raw vegan diet, learn the foods you will need to eat in order to get the right vitamins and minerals. And once you get cooking, get creative. A raw vegan diet isn't just handfuls of raw veggies and green juices. You can make some of your favorite, even decadent, foods such as this chocolate berry tart or these walnut. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that this will be a great guide for your raw vegan diet journey. Share with us what interests you as you watch this video in the comment section below. Remember to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content that you will surely love. See you in our upcoming videos.